Welcome back to Autowondr. Introducing the 2026 Renault Clio, a hatchback that redefines style, technology, and efficiency. With its bold new design, cutting-edge connectivity, and dynamic performance, the Clio is more than just a car. It's your everyday companion for the modern road. Agile, smart, and full of personality, this is the Clio, evolved. The 2026 Renault Clio boasts a sportier, more refined design. Its sharper LED headlights, redesigned grille, and sculpted body lines create a bold, confident look. The floating roof design, available in new two-tone color options, adds a touch of sophistication. New 17-inch alloy wheels, a wider stance, and an aerodynamically optimized rear spoiler enhance both stability and aesthetics. Chrome accents and a redesigned rear bumper give the Clio a premium finish. Whether in the city or on the open road, the new Clio commands attention with its effortless French elegance. Equipped with Renault's latest driver assist technology, the 2026 Clio offers an intuitive and connected driving experience. Features like active lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and front collision warning keep you safe. The 360-degree parking camera and traffic sign recognition ensure every journey is smooth and stress-free. Step inside the 2026 Renault Clio, where comfort meets technology. A fully digital 10-inch driver display, wireless smartphone integration, and ambient LED lighting set the tone for a high-tech, premium feel. Soft touch materials, ergonomic seating, and increased rear legroom make every ride a pleasure, whether short or long. The 2026 Clio offers a range of efficient yet powerful engine options, including a 1.6L hybrid powertrain delivering seamless acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. Compared to its predecessor, it boasts lower emissions, better responsiveness, and smoother handling. Whether petrol, hybrid, or electric, the Clio ensures a fun and economical ride. Starting at just $22,000, the 2026 Renault Clio is an unbeatable combination of style, efficiency, and smart technology. Upgrade to the E-Tech hybrid model from $26,500 for even greater efficiency. Experience the future of urban mobility. Visit your nearest Renault dealer today and drive the revolution.